Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine and I'm also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different quilling paper art craft you can make easily at home for different paper strips, and you can make easily for different Christmas paper quilling paper art and different beautiful craft. So you can make easily at home for yourself, and you can make different home decoration ideas. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So take care, bye, see you soon.